Hi, I'm Mike Stephan with Kage, and I'm here to talk to you about the Kage Klawz. Fact number one, the Kage Klawz have a solidly welded steel wheel. This means that they aren't stamped and spot welded. This also means that we put a reinforcement around the valve stem cover so that it's not going to get damaged. Fact number two, the Kage Klawz are equipped with a recap semi-trailer tire. The recap is a lifetime warranty Michelin retread. Fact number three, the Kage Klawz come in 4 different sizes and 2 different bolt patterns to accommodate your newer style Bobcats. Thanks for watching these 3 facts about the Kage Klawz skid steer traction system.